Safety made simple. Introducing the SST1 Single Gas Detector, your 24/7 guardian in hazardous environments. In industries where safety is non-negotiable, the SST1 Single Gas Detector stands out. Maintenance-free for up to 3 years, it's available in hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and oxygen models. No calibration, no battery replacements, no downtime. Harnessing the latest solid-state sensor technology, the SST1 offers enhanced stability and reliability, even in extreme conditions. This isn't just a detector, it's a game-changer. Designed for the toughest environments, its IP67-68 rating and double-shot housing ensure durability without compromising quality. Plus, the largest LCD in its category provides real-time gas readings and months of usage remaining. With a high-volume 95 dB alarm, the SST1 keeps you alert in the loudest industrial settings. And with built-in NFC, managing your fleet has never been easier. Pair with the WatchGas app for bump testing, assigning monitors, and downloading event logs. Cost-effective and user-friendly, the SST1 eliminates hidden costs associated with sensor and battery replacements. Perfect for safety managers, procurement officers, and workers across oil and gas, contracting, site maintenance, and more. Ready to simplify your safety protocols? Visit 7solutions.co.uk to learn more about the SST1 Single Gas Detector, your new standard in safety. Remember, don't forget to subscribe for more safety insights. Stay safe, stay informed.